Hello, you are here because you are ready to actually start the publishing process. It's very exciting. Okay, first thing you're going to do is go to kdp.amazon.com, okay? If you have an Amazon account, then you can just sign in. If you just like a regular Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, then you're going to go to join KDP and you will do your name, your email. I would use your school email and then a password. Make sure it's a password that you will actually remember because it's kind of a pain if you forget your password on this website. So just make sure that you do school email and then a password that you will actually remember, okay? Okay, once you have created your account, you will then see a screen. Let me log in here with my account. You will see a screen that looks like this. And what you will do when you get here is you will click create. Okay, so first thing, click create. You are going to create a paperback book. But now the hardcover is in beta, which means that they're just like testing it out. I've never used this. I've never seen what these look like. I know it probably will be, well, I know it will definitely be more expensive than a paperback version. I would do just the paperback. But if you want to try the hardcover, you're more than welcome. I just don't really know what that will be like exactly. So create the paperback. And then you are going to put in here the title of your book, okay, the book that you've worked so hard on. And you're going to put the title in. Maybe there's a subtitle. Most of your novels don't have subtitles, but if there is, you can put it in right there. Series, you don't need to put in series details yet, but if you do add more books and this does become a series, then you can always change this. Edition number, you can leave that blank. Okay, author, prefix, don't put anything here. This is like Mr., Miss, whatever. You don't have to put anything here. Whatever you put here is what will be printed on your book. So I usually tell kids just do your first name and your last name. If you want to have your middle name printed on the book, you can do that. So it's up to you, but first name, last name for sure. There's no contributors. It was just you. In the description here, this is where you paste in your book blurb. So you should have worked on that in one of the stations. So you just paste your book blurb in this little spot right here. And then you say, I own it, because woohoo, you literally wrote every single word. Hopefully you don't have anything explicit in there, so you'll click no for this. And then the reading age, this is optional. You don't have to put this in. I suppose you could if you wanted to. Maybe your book's only appropriate for like 11-year-olds and older. You could put that in if you wanted to, but again, that is optional. For the primary place you are going to sell it is Amazon.com. These are just other countries where Amazon operates, but you just want Amazon.com. Okay, and then you can choose some categories. All right, let me go up and just make sure this is okay. Okay, so you can choose some categories here. This helps people find your book. So maybe you are like, okay, I want to make sure that this book is aimed at kids and young adults. You want to make sure that teenagers and young adults read this book or find this book, so you'll click on that. And then you can also choose subcategories. So maybe you wrote historical fiction or a mystery or a thriller, whatever it is, you can choose it there. And then you can also go even further. Maybe you did a fantasy, mystery, or thriller, and then click Save Categories. Okay. Your book is not this low content or large print books. Okay, you can do keywords if you want. I usually don't have students do it, but you can look here to see what are some keywords that are optional or that are possibilities that you can put in there. Again, it just helps people find your book. Okay, publication date is the date that it will be released. And then as soon as your book is finished, then it will be available for sale. So this will be a couple days and you'll have to submit a lot of information. Okay, so that was part one, setting up your account and doing this first page. So go ahead and do that, and then you can check out part two of the publishing video.